Hello everyone. Again, this is another bank reconciliation, and for the college students, the reason being that the style of questioning is a little bit different from the high school one. But if you are from high school, it's the same kind of bank reconciliation that you will see. Just the style of the question is different, but bank reconciliation is always bank reconciliation. It will benefit you, right, to get a much wider understanding of bank recon. I will do the one for high school later on. Okay, moving on. You've been asked to help the inexperienced bookkeeper of Universal Perfect Traders to reconcile the business bank account and bank statement. The following information is provided. The bank account had an unfavorable closing balance of 612 rands and 79 cents. The bank statement has a favorable closing balance of 2,160 rands 53 cents. The following are outstanding checks. Then there's checks for ABC Traders for 312.99, LCZ Traders for 32.98. Then outstanding deposit is 4,322 rands and 65 cents. Then a debit order for insurance. I got a debit order. It's for insurance to the amount of 750 has been paid directly by the bank. So on this particular instance, what's happening is there's a debit order that the banks pays directly to the insurance. So it's a debit order that basically happens every month. So you will see it in the bank statement. Rent was paid directly into the bank account of the business by a tenant, right? So we received a payment from a tenant. So let's do the first one that we need to do. That is the ledger account. The ledger account. Right, the ledger account, I'll use a T account. Red pen again. I'll use a T account. Right, at the balance PD at this point was unfavorable for the bank account. Right, we have bank account. Balance PD 612.79. Right, then we have a debit order, right, for insurance. That's a payment, goes on the credit side. That will be CPJ 750. Then we have rent, because this was paid directly into the bank account of the business. Right, that will be CRJ 7,500. Right, these are the only transactions that we need to take into account. Right, there's this and this that are not recorded in the bank account or in the journals. Right, then we add the two. Right, you balance the ledger, that will be 7,500. That's the greater side. 7,500. Then to find the balance CD, that will be 7,500 minus 612 and 79 minus 750. That's 6,137.21. Then that will be balance VT 6,137.21. Right, then we do our bank record. Then our bank reconciliation. Right, balance as per bank statement. Right, it's favorable. They said it's 2,160. Goes on the credit side, 2,160 and 53 cents. Then outstanding deposit, always on the credit side, 4,322.65. Then outstanding checks, right, we have ABC Traders. Again, sometimes they'll give you the check numbers, which is mostly the appropriate thing to do, because if I always say that the challenge with writing the name of the payee is that what if you pay them a number of checks in the particular period? How will you know which one is which? So the best is to write the check number, and you know exactly check number so and so, check number 1502 is for 312 rather than ABC Traders. Then I will have LCZ Traders. That's 32 runs and 98 cents. Right, then we have balance as per bank account. That's we're taking this figure here, this one. That's 6,000. $6,137, and it's favorable. That's why I'm putting on the debit side. If it's balance sheet, BD is debit side. In the bank record, put on the debit side. That's 137 and 21. So this will be my debit, and this will be my credit. Alright, then we add this. Right, let's add them. 6,137 plus 32.98 plus 312 and 99. That will give you 6,000. see that one. $6,483, 18 cents. Then we add that one, and the credit side, that will be 2,160 and 53 cents plus 4,322 and 65, 6,483, 18 cents. So that balances. So basically at the end of the day, my two totals balance. So that's what you need to do when you're doing the bank record. It's a simple thing that you need to know what you're comparing. I'm saying there are things that the bank account, right, did not do, but the bank did. Those ones you can correct them in the bank account. This is why I had these two entries here, the insurance and the rent, because it's what the bank did that we did not do, because we can correct our mistake. But then there are things that the bank did, there are things that we did that the bank did not do. We can't correct the bank statement, but we can reconcile the reason why the two totals are not agreeing, and we reconcile using the outstanding deposit that we need to add to the balances per bank statement. Then we add back the outstanding checks, right, to the balance. Then we reconcile the two, right? So that's the bank reconciliation statement, right? If you like this presentation and video, do subscribe, like, and share, and turn on your notification bell, so that when I upload a new video, you're able to be notified that you won't miss anything. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching the video.